Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about servicing your vehicle when it comes to manufacturer's recommended service intervals. As you've probably seen, if you have a late model car, manufacturers extended out oil change intervals to sometimes 10,000 miles. Well, what we found is running oil that long can cause damage inside the vehicle. We recommend using a full synthetic oil at the West Automotive Group, and we recommend replacing it every 5,000 miles. So it's one of the things that we don't always follow the exact manufacturer's recommendations, but we do follow that recommendation because we want to see you get the most life out of the engine in your vehicle. By not replacing the oil on every 5,000 miles, you can often end up with things such as plugged solenoids that control the cam timing or worn out tensioners and guides when it comes to timing chains. So we strongly recommend that you replace the oil every 5,000 miles on your vehicle. Stay on top of it. There's a couple other items that should be looked at regularly too when servicing the vehicle: air filters, cabin filters, etc. If you've and fuel filters, and of course servicing the transmission every 18 to 20,000 miles. If you want to keep your vehicle in good working order, you'll make sure and stay on top of the maintenance and service. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.